That way's good. All right, just go ahead and tell us your name.
Ryan Hastings.
And tell us where you are a professor.
I am a professor, a visiting assistant professor at Purdue University in the Department of Earth, Atmospheric and Planetary Sciences.
All right, and today we're here to discuss the telegraph. Can you tell us a little bit about your thoughts on the telegraph and why you believe it's going to be making a comeback?
Well, now this is, at this point, a conjecture which I have not really been able to flesh out into a full-fledged hypothesis, so I should caution the listener before going too far into this, not to consider this any sort of established fact. But the situation that we have with the upper atmosphere, with the mesosphere, is that high energy particles from the sun, from the solar body around which we are orbited, are constantly bombarding the mesosphere and the ionosphere, causing these high energy particles to be ejected from the air molecules up there. And they frequently interfere with satellite communications, and they can interfere with wireless networks and various forms of radio transmission. Now, the telegraph, as it operates with on wires, happens to be somewhat immune, in my opinion, somewhat immune to these effects of these sort of geomagnetic storms. And I think that we could be ending a period of turbulent activity in the sun. Lots of geomagnetic storms going to be occurring, which is not to say that the telegraph system is completely immune. I mean, we can all remember the late 19th century when there was a particularly impressive geomagnetic storm that actually caused telegraph operators to get shocked. That did happen, and but I think that we'll find it. Ultimately, we're going to find it's going to be more robust, a more robust network than the ones we have previously conveniently available to us. And I suppose the one concluding remark I would also like to make, and this is admittedly a bit more conjectural even, is that should our networks attain some sort of sentience that we have right now, maybe through one of these geomagnetic pulses, should our international communication networks attain sentience, we're going to have to revert to the telegraph just to be able to keep our messages private from the global internet consciousness.
Thank you very much.